I got this beautiful Xbox Series X special edition, and the customer said his console have overheating issue. In this video, I will try to fix overheating issue for Xbox Series X. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video gaming and computers. Don't forget to give me like. It look like this console have no any dirt. They look like the console not dusty, but let's see. First thing first, I connect the power cable to check if the fan spinning. I'm not sure if you see that, but the fan look like not spinning. So let's turn off the console and check the fan. They have two screws, first one here, the second one here. As you can see guys, the console is look like not too dusty, but let's check the fan. They have three screws for the fan, one and this one, the big one, and the third one here. As you can see guys, the fan is not spinning as a normal, unfortunately. So let's replace the fan. And this is a brand new fan. It's available on our shop. Just see the difference between both. Right, so we need to open 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and the last one here. Now it's better. Here you go. This is the old fan, and let's install the brand new fan. Now I need to turn the 4 screws back and test. Alright, the fan is ready. This console is fixed, but what do you think? Do I need to clean the console and change the thermal paste? Please, if you like a part 2, leave a comment and I will make a second part. Thank you for watching.